In this video we'll be covering how to service your lavatory. First, open the door panel. Turn on the panel. A blinking light will be seen if a service is required. Remove the water inlet cap at the toilet service panel. Connect the water fill hose and waste drain hose from ground service unit to airplane service panel connections. Push the push to open lever for inner door of the waste valves to open. Once both services lines are connected, you can begin the draining. Drain for 15 seconds. Once the panel is drained, begin filling with clean water. The service required light will be on. Fill until the service required light turns off. Turn power switch off. Once the tank is filled, you may disconnect the water line. Then disconnect the waste line. Make sure to close the valve panel. Reinstall water filler cap and close outer waste drain valve door. Finally, close and latch the toilet services access door. You have successfully serviced your SkyFlush.